Hi everyone, welcome back. In this episode, we are going to talk about the engine that I'm rebuilding. I'm going to see, oh no, she's very playful right now. I'm going to look at the engine and see what is needed in terms of part. I knew I needed cylinder heads, so I already ordered. I found a very good deal on eBay from a bike that have 11,000 miles, so that's pretty nice. They are very good shape. The cover, the chrome is still in good shape too, so that should work. And then I will look at the engine, as I said, and see what parts are needed. So do a checkup of everything, gasket and everything else. So I let you enjoy the video and see you later. You can compare the rear cylinder head and the front cylinder head, showing a different. It seems like this one was a little lean. I mean, not lean, but it was. I would say it was perfect. But the other one seems a little more rich. So I don't know which. I think the richer one is probably the back. I would think. Gravity doing his things on the gas and getting maybe more gas throughout the back than the front. That's my opinion. But yeah, interesting. So here I'm gonna try to turn the engine over and see, okay, I'm going in the wrong side here, but I want to see if there is any resistance or any blockage anywhere, or if it feels pretty smooth, and it does feel pretty smooth, so I don't think there is any damage inside on the crank or on the bearing, hopefully. So I'm just gonna replace the jug, cylinder head, put everything back together, put new oil, new gasket, new seal, and we'll see how it goes. And here is another oil filter that is in an oil pan, and it's a mesh filter. When you do your oil change, you can always remove it. There is no gasket because there is some rubber at the end of that mesh filter, so it does seal. But it's important to check this gasket. I remember on my first bike, when I get that gasket out, that they had some pretty nasty thing around it. So I would think it's a must do when you do an oil. So here is a part list, the part that I need to finish rebuilding that engine. I'm gonna try to find those parts and order them, and hopefully by the end of next week I will have everything. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. See you next time.
Like a tree grows out in the open, these things don't